Thought I was dreaming, standing in paradise. I never knew I'd love again, but it feels so right. The sweetness of his voice, playing in my heart. He speaks by an everlasting love. He said he'd never part, and I'd be safe in his arms, hidden in a secret place, under his shadow. Safe in his arms, I'd be hidden in a secret place, under his shadow. I would wander through the night, seeking to find a place, a possibility, but no rest inside. In the night I heard him say, come this way, turn and walk with me today, be with you always, and you'll be safe in my arms, hidden in a secret place, under my shadow. Safe in my arms, you'll be hidden in a secret place, under my shadow. Send the Most High.